Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make transparent text in Premiere Pro. Firstly, we need to select the type tool from here and just type your text. I'm gonna type summer. Then from the properties panel you can do whatever changes you want. Like I wanna align this text to the center, I can just do that from here. Whatever changes you wanna do, you can go ahead with that, like changing the color and all. Now let's jump to the main part, how you can make this text transparent. So the first way is quite easy. You can just decrease the opacity of the font from here, and that way you can make your font a bit transparent like this. If you're not satisfied with this, you can follow the next way, which is that you can just select the text first, then uncheck the fill option and check the stroke one. You can also choose the stroke color. I'll just proceed with white. Then from here you can just increase the stroke to like make your text according to you. I wanna like increase the stroke a bit, I can just do that from here. Okay, you can see that the stroke is getting bigger, so it's up to you as I said. But yeah, this is also the way you can make your text transparent. Now let's jump onto the third way. For that, just select the text. Here you will see in the effects control blend mode, so we just need to shift it from normal to soft light. Here it is, and yeah, you can see the text became transparent. So yeah guys, these are 3 ways you can follow to make your text transparent. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.